Bukod sa time-consuming, prone to confusion at error din ang mano-manong pagbibigay ng gamot, lalo kung maraming pasyente. Yan ang solusyonan ng isang imbensyon ng ilang estudyante na automated pill dispenser. Tara, let's change the game with MediMarian.
Need meds? It's about time na mag-upgrade sa automated. Para sa mga pasyenteng nangangailangan ng regular medicine intake, especially those with mobility restrictions o hirap makakilos na maayos, at senior citizens. Narito na ang MediMarian, your automated pill dispenser. Alternatibong solusyon ito ng ilang estudyante ng St. Mary's College sa Quezon City para menos mano-mano na sa pagbigay o pagkuha ng gamot. Malaking tulong din ito para gumaan ang workload ng healthcare professionals.
We asked and interviewed some healthcare professionals and elderly to gain insights on how to conceptualize the product. MediMarian is made to give an approach to deliver and administer the medicine at the right time without technical difficulties or human errors.
Binubuo ng collar and bumper sensors, robot brain, robot arm with 8 motors ang prototype na inabot ng a month and a half ang paggawa. May 7 dispenser ang prototype na connected through medicine pipes with real-time notification and alert system.
A built-in notification system alerts users through alarms and LED indicators that ensure timely adherence.
Ang oras ng medicine intake siniset lang sa program for proper medication dispensement. Ginawarang first runner-up ang MediMarian sa kakatapos lang na 10th Philippine Robothon 2025 nitong Marso.
It made us happy since all of our hard work has been solved na po.
Our device includes secure pill compartments that store different medications and the dispensing mechanism that releases the correct dosage at scheduled times. Sensors ensure precise medication delivery, and MediMarian programs automates pill dispensing based on preset schedules. The system dynamically adjusts based on patients' compliance.
There you have it mga kapuso, a game-changing invention na makakatulong sa ating healthcare system. Para sa GMA Integrated News, ako si Martin Javier, changing the game!